In this video, we're going to go over expected value. So in the previous video, we went over what exactly is probability. In this particular video, we're going to walk through some examples and definitions of what exactly is the expected value. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So the expected values, let's go over some definitions here. So expected values are the average outcome we expect if we run an experiment many times. And so you can see on the right hand side there the formula. We have the event and we have the probability. And so what exactly is a trial then? So a trial is observing an event occur and recording an outcome, right? So we're flipping the coin and we got a tails. So that is essentially one trial, right? And then an experiment is a collection of one or more multiple trials. So we're flipping the coin 10 times and we're recording 10 individual outcomes, right? Let's say out of those 10 times, we get 3 that are tails and 7 that are heads, right? That is what, essentially an experiment is. And then experimental probability is a probability that we assign an event based on an experiment that we conduct, right? That's the actual formula there. And so in this particular instance, the experimental probability for getting tails would equal to the number of tails we record over the course of the 10 outcomes. So over 10, the total number of trials, which is essentially the total number of trials, right? Over 10. And so with expected value, this is the outcome that we expect it is to occur when we run an experiment. So this is something that we expect to happen based on a particular experiment that we're running, right? So you can see on the right hand side there, we have the coin toss, right? 10 times. We're recording it, as far as the 10 outcomes. And then that's going to be one single experiment. And so our expected value is what we expect, to actually occur, right? When we're running the experiment. And so this is really important also for you to understand, right? It's a very simple definition here. It's not something that's extraordinary, but it's something for you to be able to understand at a foundational level as we progress through the course and we continue to get a lot more deep into machine learning, deep learning, algorithms, right? Probability, testing different hypotheses, different things like that. So that's going to be here for the expected values, and we'll see you on the next one.